much. I'm talking.
Fine, good to see you.
Good to see you as well. Says you?
We last saw in
Paris.
I think
Yes,
last night.
Paris.
Thank you. Absolutely.
So thank you very much.
Thank
and
you.
safe travel.
Thank you.
Well, first of all, it was a great pleasure and an honor to meet with President Tinubu. As usual, this is not the first time. We have our two countries have a great relationship. The United States and Nigeria is our major partner. We talked about a number of things. Most importantly, counterterrorism. We've been working very closely with the Nigerian government and President Tinubu's administration on countering terrorism and fighting terrorism. What's happening today in the Sahel region and in the Lake Chad basin is of extreme concern to all of us, not just people in the sub-region, but to the entire world, to Europe and the United States and the entire world. It's a very serious concern, and we're working towards combating it, and we will be cooperating and continue to cooperate towards combating this serious problem in the region. We also talked about the maritime security in the Gulf of Guinea, which is also a very important aspect of our cooperation, not just with Nigeria, but other countries within the Gulf of Guinea. So hopefully this is something we can continue to work on.
You talked about cooperation on the security countering terrorism. In what form is that coming?
There's a lot of work that we've already doing together. There's information sharing, there's technology, there's training. There are quite a few programs that we've worked on and we will continue to work on. But hopefully we can increase. We can increase that. We know that also Nigeria had recently purchased some equipment from the United States, and we hopefully will work towards improving on that.
Right, there's a narrative coming from the U.S. at the moment, disturbing to some people in Nigeria, and that's about religious persecution. That is not the position of the government, certainly. It's that of the Senator Cruz, I guess. And what is the position of U.S. governments regarding this?
This is certainly unfortunate, of course. Any incident, any loss of life is absolutely unfortunate. Those who know the terrain well know that terrorism has no color and no religion and no tribe. People of all religions and all tribes are dying as a result of terrorist acts. But it's very unfortunate. We even know that Boko Haram and ISIS are killing more Muslims than Christians. So people are suffering from all sorts of backgrounds. This is not specifically targeted about one group or the other. However, any loss of life is too many. One is too many, and we should work together in partnership to put an end to this. With regards to, there are other incidents that happen to be in the Middle Belt, for example, where farmers are located. Most of these farmers happen to be Christian, and some herdsmen are going through and they have these incidents. But we definitely, it's not something that we can say is specifically targeted about a specific group. However, we must work together to put an end to this. The Nigerian government and the President Tinubu's administration have recently taken additional measures and put more resources in those areas. And we've seen some improvements in recent weeks. We appreciate those measures, and we definitely look forward to more of those. And we look forward to ending these sorts of acts. Wherever they come from. And we know that Nigeria is a melting pot. Nigeria is a country in which all sorts of religious groups and other groups, ethnic and tribal and other groups are living together in harmony for centuries. And Nigerian population is split 50-50 probably between Christians and Muslims. So this has never been a serious religious issue and should not be. But we appreciate what President Tinubu has done, and we shall continue to work together to make sure it's taken care of.